For this project, we were tasked to create a DC motor control circuit that controlled the speed and direction of a DC hobby motor. I decided to add an IR aspect so that the motor is controlled by an IR remote as seen on screen. Here is a demonstration of the motor working. Firstly, let's discuss the L293D. This component is an IC that includes two H-bridge setups that can control two motors. The H-bridge works by using 4 transistors to change the flow of electricity to a motor. As seen in the video, if transistors 1 and 4 are both on, the current can flow through the motor in one direction. If transistors 2 and 3 are on, the current can flow through in the other direction. There are also a couple of other important states that the transistors can be in. If both transistors 1 and 2 are high or both are low, the motor is going to break because in either case there is no voltage difference across the motor and therefore no current. Finally, if any transistor is high and all the others are low, the motor is in coast mode. Snubber diodes are usually included to prevent back EMF from the motor from damaging the rest of the circuit. One of the reasons why the L293D is a good motor driver is because it includes these diodes, while the SN754410 does not. The IR remote/receiver is the next part of the circuit up for discussion. The remote sends the IR receiver a 38 kHz signal that, when decoded by the receiver, becomes a series of binary numbers. These numbers then can be associated with certain commands depending on what the coder needs these numbers to do. In my case, I use the numbers for the up, down, left, right, and center buttons for my commands.